Hi there. Welcome to Not Just Carrots by MyEyeDr. I'm Dr. Florian Safner from Alexandria, Virginia.
And I'm Dr. Tracey Glendenning from Wilmington, North Carolina. And even though we're optometrists, we're also foodies. So we're here today to share some of our eye healthy recipes with you.
There are so many recipes out there that are amazing for your eyes that are not just carrots.
And it doesn't matter time of day. We can incorporate these foods into our meals containing lutein, vitamin A, and vitamin E.
So today, Tracey and I are going to show you how to make some really simple eye healthy recipes. Let's get started.
So today, let's create a wonderful eye healthy lunch. It's whole wheat penne pasta with spinach and gorgonzola, and it is loaded with lutein, zinc, and zeaxanthin. Let's get started.
That pasta is really delicious.
I can see why people love this recipe. So click here for full details. It's not only tasty, but it's eye healthy.
Hey, we hope you've had as much fun as we have. I'm Florian.
And I'm Tracey.
And be on the lookout for more eye healthy recipes from MyEyeDr. Take care.